Hi, friends. Happy Monday. Today, we are going to do a number talk. So I need you to get all of your tools. I need you to get whiteboard or a piece of paper, marker, eraser, or a pen or pencil, some counters. You can even get out your tens and ones. These are my tens. I'm going to get them out. And your ones, because we are going to do a number talk. All right. So I am thinking of a number between 1 and 100. And the number is 64. Okay, 64. So first things first, we have to be able to write the number 64 correctly. So if you just listen to the name, 64, you know that it starts with a 6, okay? And it's really important that we don't flip those around because otherwise it's a totally different number, right? So 64. So I know 60, 10, 20, 30, wait, hold on, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, okay, is the number 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 6. I'll show you. I can do it upside down. 6, okay? Now I have to listen to the next part of the number, 64. 64. So now I have to look at, now I need to write the number 4. I don't know if I can do it upside down. Okay, and it's too big. So I'm going to actually erase it and try again because I need to write other things on here. I'm actually going to write it kind of small. 64. Ah, backwards 4. Okay, 64 is the number. 64. So let's first start with an equation. What could be an equation? Actually, no, let's do tens and ones because that's going to help us with our equation. Let's do tens and ones. So I'm actually going to do a small T chart down here. I'm writing everything backwards. Hold on here a second. Tens and ones. Tens and ones, okay? So, how many tens are in the number 64? How many tens? Let's take a gander. Okay, there are 6 tens, right? So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 64. So this is actually going to help me write my equation. All right. So I can actually physically see there are 6 tens. So then I can write 6 tens. 10 plus 10 plus, and I'm doing it small so I can fit some things on here. Plus, I'm even going to go smaller because I want to be able to, let's see here, circle that. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. I'm going to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. Plus 10. What am I doing? I forgot the 1. Then plus, how many ones? Plus 4. Okay, nice job. And that equals 64. What I can do is I can break it down. The cool thing about the number 64 is it's actually a lot of doubles or twos. So what I'm going to do is actually break this down into 20s. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 20s. I'm actually going to turn it this way so then I can, oh my gosh, losing all my tens and ones. Okay. And then plus 4. This is very messy because I'm doing it upside down. 20, 40, 60, and then, so did you see what I just did? I actually counted by 2s, but with 10s. Oh, wait, let me get this in the picture. So I counted by 2s, but using tens. So here we go. 20, 40, 60, and then plus 4, okay? So that also equals 64. And then, okay, so that is one way to do this. And you can even go deeper with finding doubles or counting by twos. So one double we can find here is 40. And I'm kind of running out of room, so I'm going to do this. And so it's 40 plus 20, whoa, plus 4. And then we can even break this up too, or break it down, and this can be 24. 24. And then, wow, and then here we go, 40. Okay, you can also do something like this. Watch this, 40 plus, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to break this into 2 twos. Okay, so I'm going to go 22 plus 2. Wow, so many different equations. Okay, so many different equations. I'm going to take this and I'm going to erase everything. And you could rewind the video and pause it, and you can write different equations as well. I think what I'm going to do is counting by fives. Now, if you remember before, what I had done when I was counting by fives with really big numbers is I circled groups of 2 fives, because then it would be groups of 10, and thinking about groups of 10 is so much easier for me than thinking about groups of 5. Like 10 is the most magic number. And I was just looking at Girly because she was doing a funny stretch. What is it, Girly dog? What do you need? I don't know what she's doing. Okay. Anyways, Girly, come here. Come here. I'm gonna say hi to everybody. Come on. Come here. No, she doesn't want to. Come here. She's coming. She's coming. Come here. And say hi to everybody. Here's the Girly dog. Girly dog, do you do math? No, you don't do math. Okay, so I'm gonna try that. Let's try counting by fives just to practice. Okay, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job. Okay, now let's try writing. What was that number again? Do you remember? 64 using groups of 5. So I'm going to first write 64 at the top. Oh my gosh. Let me try that again. 64. And then we are going to practice using groups of 5 to make groups of 10, and then draw 64 using tally marks. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Where should I start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want you doing this with me at home too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so here's a group of 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10. And I'm going to circle it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count and see how many we have so far. 10, 20, 30. And actually, this is making me think of another equation that we could have done. And so I'm going to write it. 30 plus 4 equals 64, because 3 plus 3 is 6, right? Maybe some of you already thought about that, because we can definitely think about a lot of doubles when we're thinking about the number 64. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then how many more do we need? 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 64. And this picture actually shows this equation perfectly. All right. Okay, friends, that was your number talk for the day. Reach out to me if you want any help or support. Sending you lots of love.